Meaning of dispiriting.
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 Dispiriting. The term dispiriting refers to something that causes a feeling of discouragement, demotivation, or disillusionment in a person. This emotion is typically caused by factors such as a lack of progress, repetitive failures, or unexpected setbacks. When a situation or event is described as dispiriting, it often has a negative impact on an individual's mental state, leaving them feeling deflated and pessimistic about the future. In essence, dispiriting experiences can sap one's motivation and cause them to lose sight of their goals or aspirations.